People ask about Catalytic Converter Zap, and the truth is, it sounds like sci-fi, but it's not as dramatic as a James Bond gadget. It's really just slang for a method thieves use to remove your catalytic converter fast, using power tools. The pain point here? It's about 90 seconds. That's how long it takes for someone with the right saw to slide under your car and be off with a part worth $1,000, but it costs you double that to replace it. Marvel-level villainy, but on a local scale. If you ever come outside and your Prius sounds like a jet engine, the cartoonishly loud roar instead of a gentle hum, you've likely joined the thousands of Americans who lose their converters each year. It's one of those why me moments that feels painfully preventable. Catalytic converters are full of precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which are annoyingly worth more per ounce than gold. That's why these parts turn into liquid cash for thieves faster than pawn store diamond rings. There's this myth floating around that painting your converter bright orange or slapping stickers on it will deter thieves. Not really. If someone's motivated enough, spray paint isn't stopping a guy with an angle grinder at 2 a.m. I've seen it firsthand in Portland. So what actually works? The first real line of defense. Park somewhere with lots of eyeballs, like a busy street or well-lit area. Surveillance cameras and motion detection floodlights are your friends. Forced visibility is like garlic to these vampires. Now, the step-by-step practical move, the catalytic converter shield. These steel plates bolt over the part and make removal noisy and difficult. It's like armor for your undercarriage. You can buy a kit online, and a mechanic can install it in under an hour. Here's another pro tip. Get your VIN etched onto the converter. Some states offer free etching events. Cops can trace a marked part, and recyclers are supposed to refuse etched components. 2 minutes with a Dremel could save you $2,000. Not bad ROI. Insurance does cover this. Comprehensive, but comprehensive is one of those misleading words. It doesn't cover lost time, rental cars, trip interruptions, or the angry existential feeling while your car sits at the repair shop for weeks. Hybrid cars like the Toyota Prius are ground zero for this theft. Their converters are loaded with more precious metals for better emissions, making your eco-friendly car a giant neon target in a parking lot full of gas guzzlers. Sorry, saving the planet comes with risk. Some people try DIY fixes with rebar cages or heavy-duty clamps. It kind of works, but caveat emptor. Thieves are creative, and a sawzall cuts rebar like it's linguine if they're determined. Still, any extra step puts you ahead of the lazier thieves. Last, set up phone alerts for your next door or local police message boards. Theft patterns hit certain neighborhoods in waves. A 5-minute heads up could mean you move your car and dodge the bullet. There's community strength in shared paranoia, honestly. My hot take? You can't 100% zap the risk away, but a couple of strategic choices can make you a statistical outlier. Less why me, and more, that could have been worse. Loud pipes may save lives, but loud engine roars after theft just up your blood pressure.